Hello everybody. Here I'm going to go over and review some things that I got to have my hands on during my absence, my almost 2-week absence. What I've got here, this is a Mercedes-Benz 600 Pullman. I got all the way from China. It took about 2 to 3 weeks to get her at least. This one is the longer wheelbase. It's called the Pullman. There are different variants of this particular 600 made. Mercedes 600 Grosser, in particular, ran from 1963 to 1981. And at the time in 63, when it was first released, it was the world's most expensive car. At $20,000 to $25,000 in 63. I think it's about $460,000 in today's money, but that's still incredibly expensive. That's crazy. But every dictator had these. Almost every dictator at least owned one of these. So much for communism, given it's the world's most expensive car, but this is not the only thing I'm going to go over, but, you know, whatever. It's got something I got from a little place called Shapeways. I'm going to link both of the products in the description down below. This thing does not feature any opening parts, which I was kind of disappointed about because I paid $10, $15 for this thing. But dictators from Saddam Hussein, Idi Amin. Who else had this car? I don't know. I don't care, but you know. The reason why this car was so expensive, or one of the reasons, was the nice leather, hydraulic operated doors, trunk lid, sunshine roof, hood, all that good stuff was. Even the seats were hydraulic operated, and the windows too. But enough with the Tyrant King's limo. We're now going to go on to, I painted this Ford F650 I got from a little place called Shapeways. They make 3D printed items, they 3D print things. This particular one is the Ford, like I said, a Ford F650. A lot of people think that the Ford lineup ends with the 350, but it does not. In fact, it goes all the way up to the F750. But the F650 and 750 are, you know, commercial vehicles. Like the semis and the dump trucks, flatbeds are for like the heaviest duties. Real heavy duty trucks. This particular one I painted blue in true Ford fashion. Painted the gold one over the windshield and the windows with Sharpie. Well, hold on. I call this thing the USS Ford because it's the name of an aircraft carrier. Very fitting for a semi-truck with a pickup truck bed on the back. This is called a super truck. It was called Extreme Truck until 2008, but they're now called super trucks. Just semis with pickup beds on the back of them. It's very impractical because you can't get anything in there because the bed's so high off the ground, and you especially can't get anything heavy in there. But yep. I didn't paint the wheels on this one because, you know, I just haven't had the time. Not for the past week or so. And now, my favorite of them all is a goofy shopping cart, is what I'm going to call it. But, yeah, this came with a Target truck I got off at not a Walmart, but a Target store, believe it or not. I haven't found any of those at Target stores, surprisingly. But, yeah. This came with the Target Hot Wheels Super Rig. I can use this for the board game Gaslands. You can look up videos of that. In fact, I'm thinking about in one of my future videos reading the Gaslands rulebook to y'all. If you want me to do that, you know, just comment down below. Alright, that's that. I'm Reverend Skywalker. That was my Merc 600 and Ford F650 review. See you next time. Bye.